Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna talk about Chinese fried dough fritter, which is the most popular breakfast among Chinese. First of all, I'm using cold milk straight from the fridge to dissolve some baking powder and baking soda. In a large bowl, measure the rest of the ingredients and a tablespoon of vegetable oil, and then pour in all the milk mixture. Mix it first with a spatula. Traditionally, the aluminum-based raising agent was used for the dough fritter. However, aluminum has its own health issues, so I'm using aluminum-free baking powder today. Knead flour into a dough. Now, we give the dough 30 minutes to rest. 30 minutes later, the gluten is very easy to work on and takes no time to form the silky, smooth surface. Once the dough is ready to use, let's shape it. I have tried so many dough fritter recipes, some with water, some with egg, some requires yeast, and all different methods to prepare the dough. The recipe I'm showing you today is the winner. The amazing texture and the taste of the final products are exactly the same as we eat along the busy streets in China. After shaping the dough, use oil to cover up the entire surface to prevent the dough from drying out. I will get this straight into the fridge, chill it overnight. Or you can eat it any time of the day. Keep it at room temperature at least for 4 hours. Then you can fry them just as good. The next day, remove the dough from the fridge, and then flatten the surface one more time, and slowly warm it up to the room temperature. If it is cold, it will be very hard to stretch it long or puff up big enough in hot oil. Use the biggest pot you can find in your home. Pour in enough oil. While the oil is heating up, let's do the cutting. Line one piece over another, and press it down hard in the middle with a chopstick. Close up both ends too. The oil has to be hot, about 200 Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit. Before throw in the oil, stretch it first. It is important to flip the fritter as quickly as you can, which helps it getting heat all around and puff up nicely. Look at that, so gorgeous! Look at that! So gorgeous, so beautiful, and so tasty. The thing about the dough fritter is that you can clearly see the big bubble texture inside when cut it open like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time.